Hi guys, great afternoon, and once again, this is Jerome ng SMDC, ang inyong property investment guide. So for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa may Gold Residences Tower C. Nasa rooftop ako ng Tower C building natin dito sa Gold Residences. So papakita ko sa inyo yung ating mock-up unit dito sa Gold Residences. This is a video update for those na nag-invest na dito sa Gold Residences, and also para dun sa mga gustong mag-invest dito sa ating project sa may NAIA Terminal. So makikita nyo yung runway view and also yung ibang view dito sa my Gold Residences. So ito na guys, nandito na tayo sa Tower C ng Gold Residences. So papasok tayo para makita ninyo yung ating mock-up unit. So this is the hallway going to the mock-up unit. So yan, kasama ko nga pala yung team ko, yung buong team Jao. So yan, nag-ocular visit kami. So this will be the entrance once you get a unit dito sa ating Gold Residences. So upon turnover, may tiles na siya, painted walls, may kasama na rin yung up and down kitchen cabinet, may provision din for washing machine. So ito yung ating window. So yeah, this is amenity view kapag na-turnover na. So this is a one bedroom without balcony. So ayan, yan yung up and down cabinet natin, and also yan yung mga nalagyan natin yan ng electric stove, and also meron niyang kasama na range hood. So ito yung bathroom area natin. So nakita nyo naman, napakaganda ng tiles natin dito sa banyo, kasama na yung toilet and bath, kasama na rin yung shower, and syempre yung toilet sink natin. So yan. So, ginagawa pa yung unit. Ayan. And this is we are going to the rooftop ngayon. So, ito guys, nandito na tayo sa rooftop ng Gold Residences Tower 3. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung runway view and also yung Parañaque view. By the way guys, Gold Residences is a pre-selling condominium project ni SMDC. Meaning, ginagawa pa siya or under construction siya. So, pag under construction siya, no spot down payment promo pa tayo. So, magre-reserve lang kayo ng 30,000 and then magma-monthly kayo for as low as 18,000 per month. So, may 10% discount tayo for the month of October. So, this is the first time na nagbigay tayo ng ganyang kalaking discount dito sa Gold. 10% discount, no spot down payment promo. So, ayan. Ito yung Parañaque view natin. So once again, no spot down payment tayo, 10% discount. Grab the opportunity to get that promo ngayong October. And also, ito na yung ating runway view. So tatawid lang kayo, nasa Terminal 1 na kayo ng NAIA. So that's it guys for our video. Once again, this is Jerome ng SMDC, ang inyong property investment guide. And thank you for watching.